Take it out.
It's a welded nut. The bolt is on the top. You did this the last time when I ran to Walmart.
I did?
Yeah, you put.
On that day.
What if it's broken?
As long as you're gentle, though.
Exactly. Oh, it's a U-clamp. That's a U-clamp. It goes there.
Let me check it. Let me check in my boxes. Switch units. The Elite Wheel bumper and hitch receiver fit really well on our Honda Talon 1000R. You can also fit it on an X. We did like the fit and finish of the models. The hitch receiver and the bumper have a nice coat to them. The testing went well. With the receiver, we had a couple different hitches that we tried on here. It's a standard 2-inch. We were able to use the safety pin, which is included. You can also use a lock. And we were able to do some testing with the Honda. We did some towing, and it really is solid. We're happy to see it in use, and it's stable, doesn't make any noise. We really liked it. So check out Elite Will on their Amazon page. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, drop us a note about this or any of the products that we've tested. Thanks.